Hello class, as you know, we have been talking about the needs of a plant and the needs of an animal. And we have talked about the fact that animals need several things to survive and that plants need several things to survive. So, today I have given you 10 cards. 5 have plants and 5 have animals. What I want you to do with your partner is decide how the plant or the animal that you pick are going to get what they need. I'm going to show you an example of each. For example, if my plant is a flower, I'm going to draw a flower here because that's what I want to show. My flower is very nice and healthy. But what am I missing here? How is this flower going to get sunlight? Well, it needs to be planted outside and it needs to have the sun. Now, how is the plant going to get air? You will show that in this space with pictures. You can also use words if you want to. How is the plant going to get the soil and nutrients? How are you going to make sure the plant gets that? What are you going to do to it? And how is the plant going to get water? Right? Then you'll choose an animal and you will do the same thing. For example, if you decide that your animal is going to be the kitty cat, how is the kitty going to get shelter? Kitty is a special kind of animal, isn't it? It lives with us. It's a pet. So how is it going to get shelter? Where is that shelter going to be? How is the kitty getting air? How is the kitty getting food? And how is the kitty getting water? Does it get it by itself? Does somebody give it to you? Do it. Now, after you're done with your pictures, you are going to write your name. Of course, after you have written your name and you've done all your work, we are going to present your plants. We are going to present how you're going to make sure that the plant that you picked is going to grow and how the animal that you picked is going to survive. Okay? If you have any questions, you can watch this video as many times as you want. I will be working with the small groups, doing other things in science, so I expect you to do your very best. Remember, you can watch it as many times as you want to remember what to do.